Hi guys, it's Grace, and today's video is going to be one that I've been so excited for like the longest time, and it is what I got at the Warner Brothers studio tour. So I literally probably uploaded this video exactly or near about the date of 10 months ago, but it's uploaded now, literally 10 months ago today or whatever, because I went exactly 10 months ago. I didn't buy as much because I was going birthday money and I was saving up for a long time for this, because I knew from like February last year and I went in October, so I saved all that. But I think I've known about this for April, May time. So like we literally got the thing for it like just when Gringotts opened, and I was like, right, okay, I'm gonna go Gringotts. I actually didn't get anything from Gringotts because the stuff I wanted, the one thing I wanted was a gold bar and they didn't have it. But I'm not too bothered because I know I'm going to be going back. This is always the thing with me, I'm like, it's fine because I know I'm going to go back. And looking at it, it looks like I haven't got much, but I did get some stuff from Bang & Olufsen in London. Like, it was just there for like a night, so it was just a nice little new thing. One of the new things I have is they got these little boxes for your wands. So obviously I got a wand. I got only one because I was on it too, but I was more important. Double collection. So yeah, before I get in the video, I didn't get as much as last time because last time I had like 2 full bags, and it was like I got Gryffindor sweatshirt, I got chocolate frog, I got like other sweet things, I got scarf, I got pygmy puff, I got an ear thing, like, I got lots. But this time I got some nice things. I know I'll be going back in the future. My vlog should be up, or I'll be up after this, so that's exciting. And let's get straight in the video. I didn't even know how much I spent, so I spent £92 in the main big shop, because there's 3 shops as I say every time. There's the Forbidden Forest, Platform 9 3/4, and the big like shop at the end. And I actually didn't go into the Platform 9 3/4. In the Forbidden Forest shop I got this, which I've never seen before, and I never usually get, I just realised I never usually get Fantastic Beasts things, and I did, which is really strange for me, and I can't believe I did. But I thought this was really cool. And then it's Mina Lima, isn't it? Yeah, Mina Lima. And it is the one permit kit, and I think it's really cool because it's like the application, and it's like it says 2-1 permit office, Macusa, 233 Broadway, Manhattan. And I've had like actual kits, so it's like got, it's the artwork, but it's got like 4 application forms and 4 envelopes. I still need some better shells because right now my Marauder's map, which is like an actual official one, is really looking really weak, and I think it should be framed or something interesting. So that was £14. Yeah, that was £14, and I'm very happy with that. Like, I didn't expect to get Fantastic Beasts because I never do, because of my Harry Potter shelves. I call them my Harry Potter shelves, but they do have some Fantastic Beasts stuff. So that's what I got from the Forbidden Forest shop, and the next shop I went in is a big one, so you know, I'm pretty glad. So the first thing I'm going to go through is, I got these, which I never get because, so I have 2 postcards, some like just to go in my wardrobe because I want to have like little postcards. And then like I want to pitch to my friends, but I decided I want things that I like. So like I want to buy some things from Etsy, you know, little postcards, or like little cards from Etsy, and little posters from Etsy, and put them on my wardrobe. But not posters because I'm not like 10. But I got this one, which is literally just it's from the first film. It's in the first film. It's just a trio, and I think it looks kind of cool. And then this one of the studio tour, I just saw you on eye. And the next thing I got is in this one box. So I have 3 ones already. I have Harry. I got Harry from Wizarding World in 2011. Just 11? Yeah, so pretty much just after Wizarding World opened, really. Yeah, I got that in 2011. I got Harry's, and then in York last year I got Hermione's. And then in the studio tour last year I got Snape's, and I went along with another professor. So take your guesses now of what professor I got. This person, you see my Christmas thing, my Christmas what I got for Christmas. I got actually the actors signed autograph. So I got Lupin's wand, and I know I am like 13, but I do. These are ones that I leave, and they're collectibles, and I don't play with them because I'm not 10. I say I'm not 10 for everything, but like I don't play with them because I care for them. Because this was 30, I think it was 32, because they have went up. Yeah, this was £32. They were £29 like 10 months ago. They were £29. So that just went up to like £4, and like £3, but still. I want this one for a long time. The next one that I'm looking about getting is, I'm thinking the Elder Wand or McGonagall, something like that. The next thing I got is something I always get, literally same thing every time. £8.95, Chocolate Frog. Yeah, I should have 3 Chocolate Frog cards now, but I lost my Hagrid one I got in Wizarding World a long time ago. Rowena Ravenclaw, I think, and now I have. I've already opened it. There's a Chocolate Frog. It's going to take about like 2 years to eat. Nah, it takes like 3 weeks. I got Devil and Whitehorn, which is a bit different. I sort of wanted like Gilderoy or like Bertie Bob, but because they are like one of the limited edition ones that I had a while ago. This is Devil and Whitehorn. Ooh, you can't see him. He created the Nimbus Racing Broom Company. He helped design Nimbus brooms, which revolutionised the game of Quidditch. A master flyer, he is a Quidditch fan who enjoys watching and playing the game whenever he can. I got this pin badge, so I really need to get like a board or something to put them on, because right now they're just like in a little jar and they're cute. This was £9, and this is a Ministry of Magic one, like a medal sort of pin badge. And I don't know in what circumstances you would get this. Like, would you get it if you were part of the Ministry of Magic? Would everyone have one of these? That's the thing I question. Would everyone get it, or would it be like if you're high up in the Ministry? And then I got the official guide, which was £9 I think. And it's literally just, I got this because it's got the new Gringotts stuff in, which by the way, absolute must say, it's so cool. And I didn't realise they would have the costume. Helena Bonham Carter played Emma Watson playing Hermione Granger, who was disguised as Bellatrix. I didn't realise they would have their costumes, and like when Ron was disguised. So that is really cool. Gringotts is amazing. If you want to see photos and videos of it, that will be in my vlog. But yeah, but that was really cool. I really like this. This is just for everyone's on my shelf. Everything's to do on my shelf. The final thing I got was £40, and it was some Noble Collection item. And basically, I've decided I'm now collecting Horcruxes. Simple. This is why I got Elder one, because now I've got a Horcrux. If you can guess, this is a Horcrux, and technically a Deathly Hallow. And right now, how many Deathly Hallow I have? You can only buy 2 Deathly Hallows technically. Now I have 1 now. Put this back on. So I got for £40. I got the Horcrux ring. And yeah, this is one that basically killed Dumbledore off so that Snape had to kill him. Spoiler. And it's like actually massive though. So like, well, I say it's massive, but you know, my fat fingers, it fits. If you can see, that's Deathly Hallows in it, and that's the Resurrection Stone. If I am, but let's stand for it tonight. The Horcrux locket and the Horcrux ring. So that's everything I got at the Harry Potter studio tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It wasn't as much as I got last time, but it was still quite a decent amount, and still had some cool things involved. Like, I've never seen this big pin badge before, and obviously I got a Horcrux, so that's pretty cool. I'm gonna start hoovering. I will see you guys next week or this week with another video. Love you lots. I will have a brand new Melville try-on haul coming your way very, very, very soon.